Welcome back. Today we are trying to make a little bit of progress. It's day after Thanksgiving, so I gotta do some hard work and burn off some of that turkey and dressing I ate last night, as well as 3 pieces of pie. Got a big stack of panels down here. What I need to do is, it's almost like playing Tetris. I gotta move the different shapes around without getting crushed. We gotta pull 2 of them over here to start with, put another one on top, put a spline in it, and I believe this will be the last one for that end that we can put in from the backside. So that's how we're gonna get started. If I can get these 2 panels right here moved over here, because they're gonna go up on this side later on, and I can get that one in place, that alone I will feel like is a success for the day. Anything else we do staging wise is a bonus. We had to run to the hardware store this morning and pick up some supplies. It's already in the afternoon, so we've only got about 3.5 solid hours of daylight left, and we're going to get on it. There's a lot of manipulation trying to figure out how to get the panel in the right position so that it's not rubbing up against the one on the other side. In the midst of all this, we realized that I hadn't applied SIP seal to one edge.
So I had to climb down underneath of it and put a little bit more in there. You have to move the panel far enough up the roof so that you can move it around, and then you have to pull back on it a little bit. I curled the bucket back so that I'd have enough slack on the strap that was holding it on, that we'd be able to push it into place. That went relatively well. It is possible that we can get another one up there, and if we tie it off to the top after we get it up there for safety so that it can't slide back down, we'll be able to push another one into place from the bottom. There have been a few panels that we've been successful with just pulling it to the side manually, and that's been enough to slide it into place. Unfortunately, this one was going to require setting up another plate on the adjoining panel and using a ratchet strap to pull it tight.
If you let it go a little bit, it'll probably go down. It's a little tight. Good? Oh, okay.
You're funny. That's what we look ridiculous.
But it's fun. It's all the way though.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Let's ratchet it
Yeah.
over. Okay.
Thank you, darling.
Well, that made a dent.
Yeah.
On the edges that have beams, I drive a 12-inch structural screw through the panel and into the beam. That gives it a good 2.5 inches into the beam, holding the panel down. On the ones that are over the 2x12s, every other 2x12 I put a structural screw through the panel into the 2x12, and then at the bottom of the panel I do the same thing on the other 2x12. So every 2x12 has a structural screw going through it, holding each panel to that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and share it with someone who might enjoy it as well. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. We'll be here.